He's trying to see my cottage cheese.
Eat your cottage cheese till you go to bed.
Okay.
No.
Bill, you're scared, right, Bill?
If you think that's your brother, then you ought to go there too.
Go ahead.
Did you poop?
Go ahead.
Did you poop?
See what he calls you. I'm Fernando. So see who you are.
No, she doesn't know who I am.
Shake the dog at your brother. Eat your cottage cheese, honey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Megan, this is
What
on.
is this?
This is,
What am I touching?
Huh?
that's your lip.
No, it's
Yes, it is.
What is this?
It's Twisted. It's on
Megan.
Netflix.
Who's this?
What?
Who's this?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
That's your brother.
No, it's not. This is my brother. You listen.
This is your brother Dalton.
No.
Well, who is this then?
I don't know.
That's a monkey. He's a monkey. She's a monkey.
He's a monkey.
What's Fernando holding?
Another monkey.
It's all gone, but
She will remember later.
it's all gone. All gone.
What's Grandma doing?
Make the monkey stop. Stop it.
I feel like she gets violent. Okay, trying to touch her.
Give a monkey back to its mother.
Trying to get me.
The monkey is crying.
Yeah, I wouldn't take him too close to her until she's